Hi, I'm Cynthia Cisneros, the Outdoor Adventure Coordinator, and I'm here with our first ever Pirate Adventures.
My name is Eli Allen. I'm a freshman at Southwestern, and today, Outdoor Adventures, my favorite part was the trapeze, just because going up to it, I really thought I wasn't going to be able to do it. Once I jumped and once I completed it, it just really boosted my confidence because I just got over a big fear of mine, which is heights.
Hi, I'm Katie Brown at Southwestern. I'm a freshman. Today we are on our pirate adventure. We were doing the thrills and chills, and we just did our first go-kart. We're about to do our second go-kart, and then the winners are going to race each other.
Hey, I'm Emma. I'm gonna be a junior at Southwestern. It has been so much fun being on the pirate adventure and getting to know the new students.
Hey guys, I'm Noah. I'm a first year here at Southwestern, and we are on the Sunset Pirate Adventure Tour, and it's honestly been the most fun.